In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Blogger by customizing your theme's background and text colors. To get started, open Blogger and log into your dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Theme. This is where you can manage the appearance of your blog and make design changes to the active theme. On your current theme, click Customize to open Blogger's theme designer. Once you're inside the customization panel, expand the advanced drop-down menu. This section gives you control over individual visual elements rather than changing the entire theme at once. Quick side note, for more straightforward Blogger tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now select Backgrounds, or choose the specific color sections you want to update, such as page text, post background, and post title. Set your page and post backgrounds to dark shades, then switch your text and title colors to lighter shades so the content remains easy to read against the darker layout. Take a moment to review the preview as you make these changes, making sure the contrast looks clear across your blog posts and pages. When you're happy with the result, click the floppy disk save icon to apply the updated theme colors. And that's it. You've successfully enabled a dark mode style design in Blogger.